Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is an extra video for this playlist chessboard because some friend of mine asked me how I designed this mini chessboard that is printable. This is ready for 3D printing and I decided to make this tutorial explain how I designed this. Remember, I have a full playlist here in the channel that I explain how to design every piece of this project and a normal size chessboard with this brick effect. I have a link here in the card that you can watch this full playlist. And I have always the drawing here in the first link of the description that you can download the PDF and watch the drawings and make it by yourself this design. Let's start to design this mini chessboard. Create a new design. I make this as a rectangle by the center. Here. I extrude this is 20 millimeters. Here in the bottom I made a shell to remove this face and this material with 1 millimeter. The direction is inside. Here I apply some chamfers here in this project. The outside edges, that is 1 and then 8 as meter. Here in the top face, I start to create these triangles. I can project this with the letter P, project this outliner, select this point and this and make this 1 millimeter distance. This line horizontally, perpendicular angle here, the base, and a 45 here, angle, the constraint of vertical here. This project line, I can change this to a construction line. Apply a rectangular pattern, select the object, this triangular here. And I need this as pre. The direction is symmetric. And I need this 10 millimeters. Apply. It's okay. Finish the sketch. With the extrude tool, select just the middle triangular, minus 10 millimeters. And that's okay. Now I can repeat this with rectangular pattern. Select this last feature in the axis. It's a 5 quantity. The distribution is spacing and the distance is 20 millimeters and the direction is symmetric. apply. Now I need to unhide this sketch, select the extrude tool, distance is minus 10 millimeters, but in the start it's offset with minus 10 millimeters. Make this last line of pricks, and that's okay. Now we can hide this sketch, select the rectangle pattern, select this last feature, the axis need to be parallel to this project, and this needs to be 3 in quantity. The distance is 40, and the distribution is symmetric. And that's okay. To finalize this brick effect, just create the middle plane here another triangular, here and here. This is a perpendicular. This needs to be 1 millimeter distance. This project line we can convert to a construction. And the angle of here is 45 millimeters. And the distance of this point to the base is 10 millimeters. That's what we need. Select the extrude, cut here, the distance is all, and the profile is symmetric. That's okay. Now we have this brick effect in one face. Now we can repeat this to the other faces. We need just a copy, a circular pattern, select all the extrusions and patterns that we use here, the Z-axis, to form and change to optimize. That's okay, the brick effect is here. Now here in the base we can apply 2 lines. Here and here. And here. Make this horizontal, this vertical. Constrain that this in the middle, this in the middle. Select the extrude, change it to thin extrude, here and here. The distance is 2 objects to this point. It can be 1 millimeter wall thickness. The direction is correct. The join operation and cut. You can apply some fillets here if you want. Select these fillets here in the base. With all these sides here. these lines. It's okay, 1 millimeter is enough. And here in the top view, we can do the same, create some lines, and create some lines here, and another one here and here. Make this horizontal and vertical, and apply some of this that is 40 millimeters. 40 millimeters. Here and here. And 20 millimeters. All constraint. So I find that it's longer. This line. And now we can extrude, a thin extrude. Just select these lines. The distance is minus 0.2. And the location here is center. Cut operation. And OK. Centralize. And to finalize, just apply some colors here in the project. I like to do this paint glossy with these chest colors, and we'll change to faces and start to polarize our project here, here, and here. Change to right and here. This is how I design my mini chess board here that is printable. If you want to print this design that you learn here in this channel, remember I have a full playlist with all these designs here. Consider to subscribe and download the book here in the first link of the description, that you can learn a little bit more about this project. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.